To Creative Nerds. In this short Photoshop tutorial, we'll be sharing with you how you can create a long shadow text effect. So you want to start off by duplicating our bottom layer, which says the words nerds. Right click, duplicate layer, select OK. We're then going to drag down so it sits underneath the first initial layer. Then we're going to select edit, free transform, and we're going to select flip vertical. And then we're going to drag up so it sits underneath the text once more. We're then going to right click and select convert to smart object. We're going to press Command T or Control T if on a PC. Right click and select perspective, and we're going to drag out the corner anchor points until they reach the edge of our canvas, and then select enter. We're then going to press Command T once more, right click again, and this time we're going to select distort and drag out the bottom anchor point so it reaches the bottom of our canvas. Select enter, and then we're just going to slightly just move up that text layer, and then we're going to head over to filter blur, Gaussian blur, and we're just going to increase the radius. So we're going to do it to about 6.0. Select OK, and then we're just going to reduce the opacity down to about 35%, but you can just play around the opacity till you're happy with the effect. So there you go, we've created a nice long shadow text effect using Photoshop in a matter of minutes. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further quick tips on how to use Photoshop.